Step 5. Log, archive, and audit accounts. Every control tower deployment creates two dedicated accounts. One account is for immutable log storage. The other is for centralized security operations. These are mandatory. You cannot skip them. They are the guardians of your audit trail. Think of it this way. Before you can trust anything in your cloud environment, you need to know that every action is being recorded and that no one can touch those records. That is what these two accounts do. Let us look at the code. We are creating a new AWS account inside our organization. This is not a sub account. It is fully independent, its own root user, its own billing, its own resources. This is the log archive account resource. Let us break down each argument. Name absa-log-archive. This is the friendly name you see in the AWS console. Convention is company-purpose. So when someone logs in and sees 50 accounts listed, they can read it. No guessing. Email var.log_archive_email. Every AWS account in the entire world needs a globally unique email address, not just unique inside your organization, globally unique. The best practice is the plus trick. Your-email plus log archive at example.com and your-email plus audit at example.com. They both deliver to the same inbox, but to AWS, they are two completely different email addresses. One inbox, multiple unique emails. Parent ID. This places the account inside the shared services OU. Terraform handles the ordering automatically. It knows it needs to create the OU first, then place the account inside it. You do not need to manage that order manually. Terraform figures it out from the references. Role name, Organization Account Access Role. Do not rename this. Do not rename this. Control Tower expects this exact name. SSO expects this exact name. Other AWS services expect this exact name. If you rename it, things break quietly in ways that are very hard to debug. Now the audit account, same structure. Name is audit. Parent ID points to shared services OU, same role name. So what does this account actually do? It receives copies of all CloudTrail logs, immutable, write once. It hosts Security Hub as a delegated administrator. It collects guard duty findings from every single account in the organization. It runs compliance checks for PCI-DSS payment card industry data security standard and POPIA. The CISO, Chief Information Security Officer, logs into this account and sees the security posture of the entire bank in one place. That is the power of centralized security operations. Now, two buckets, two very different retention periods. Pay attention here. Logging bucket, 365 days, 1 year. This is the main activity log. Every API call in every account across the entire organization. 1 year passed. PCI-DSS minimum 1 year passed. accessLoggingBucket, 3,650 days. That is 10 years. This bucket logs who accessed the log bucket itself, auditing the auditors. Think about that for a second. We are not just logging what happened in AWS. We are logging who came to look at the logs. Financial institutions, 7 to 10 year requirement, passed. Tax authorities, 7-year requirement, passed. This is what real compliance looks like, not a checkbox, a 10-year immutable audit trail.